It's hard to fathom how much money this is.
This is Regina, and do you know why you're in this room?
No.
I know. Sorry for dragging you in this weird room. If you don't mind, can you guys be normal for 5 seconds?
I haven't moved a muscle.
If you wouldn't mind, can you put this blindfold on?
Okay.
As you remember, there was a balloon in this room. So I'm gonna put this nail in your hand, right there. I'm gonna have the boys move the balloon to a random part of the room. Inside this balloon is keys to a brand new car. If you pop that balloon without taking off your blindfold in the next 60 seconds, you get to keep the car. I'm gonna start the timer now.
Okay.
Go for it.
Oh,
Watch out! That's a wall.
Cold.
That is a wall.
Cold.
Oh gosh.
Warm.
Oh, no, you got it! You got it! All right, here, wait. Can I have this?
Oh.
All right, it's over! Yeah! If you look right here, you'll see the key that came out.